Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Christmas with Mr. Carrington. I'm joined by a special guest.
Hello! Hi!
Luke's back.
I'm so excited to be here. It's Christmas!
Out in the woods. We thought we'd gather in the woodland for some Christmas filming.
Absolutely.
It's the only way we can do it this year, so there we are. So we're out here freezing our bits off.
Quite literally.
Yeah. And we've got a DIY for you. A naughty DIY.
This is very exciting.
So we're going to be making one of these sweet Christmas trees. Oh, and they're really easy to make.
I think that would be so nice to have as like a hallway entrance. Just take one as a little...
Oh yeah.
Lovely.
Be gone in no time.
Great idea.
Yeah. They're really easy to make as well, and all you need is a box of either celebrations, roses, heroes.
Heroes.
What's the other one?
Quality Street? Oh no,
you
you couldn't do Quality.
Yeah, you can do that.
I guess Quality Street sometimes come in these things.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
I think all of them.
Like
yeah.
squidgy, right?
These were on offer, £2.
Seriously?
Can't go wrong, yeah.
I am much more of a heroes kind of guy.
Okay, yeah.
And then celebrations, and then roses.
Okay.
What are you?
I would say, I love a celebration. And hero,
Heroes got
like
some good ones.
they've got more that you'd want to eat in there, if that makes
Crunchies,
sense.
double-deckers.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Whereas I feel like with Roses and Quality Street, there's always one or two that we're not fan of.
Toffee pennies.
Yeah.
Get stuck in your teeth.
I think that's gone away now.
Has
hasn't
it?
Well, one of them's gone away. Which one's gone away? Let us know in the comments. What's your favourite Quality Street heroes, Roses, or Celebrations? There we are. Right, so we're going to get cracking. Before we do, if you're new here, click subscribe for new videos every single week. Give the video a thumbs up if you... Hello. So what's going on down there? And over on Luke's channel, we're going to be making some... What are we making?
We made some DIY Christmas edible gifts that you can give to your friends, family, that kind of thing. Dead easy, dead simple, and just really good.
Yeah, they're really nice. So definitely go over there and make sure you subscribe when you do. Right, so I'm going to make one with Celebration.
Yes.
Luke's going to make one with
heroes.
Roses,
sorry. It's because I can't see.
Hopefully look like this.
I'm showing the camera and I'm like, what? With roses. Lovely.
So, really easy to do. All you need to do, we're actually going to use the packaging for the base of the tree. So take the lid off.
Okay.
And then empty them all out.
Into your mouth.
Yeah, you can do that.
I'm going to pop them here.
That's the most challenging part about this DIY, is not eating them before you've made it.
Yeah, you made that last night, didn't you?
Yeah.
Well done. I saw it.
A little here's one I made earlier.
Ooh.
And all you need for this, you could use hot glue, but because we're out in the sticks, we're using sellotape for ease. I couldn't quite run the power cable across the woods, unfortunately.
That's, like we did consider stoves and whatnot.
Yeah. So pop the top off.
Yeah, this whole thing as well?
Yeah, remove that part. You can use the scissors or just pull it off.
Okay, just pop that into me.
Yeah. So you're left with that, and then take it apart. So take the seam apart. So we'll just take that apart.
Bottom part as well completely come off, or just flatten it?
Take that off. Yeah, you can rip that right off.
Okay, so it's like it's behind.
Yeah, so you're left with like a cone, and then if you can pull the seam apart. Yeah, we've got the Lady Gaga outfits on.
I couldn't get my hand out.
Right, so carefully undo that bit.
Okay.
Just pop your finger in and slide it across. Yeah.
Right.
And then you've got your piece of card like that, and then what you want to do is just kind of roll it up.
Right.
Leave a little hole at the top. Just get your tree shape.
Yeah.
Best you can.
With you.
Something like that.
So you want it to be as like triangular as possible.
Yeah.
Right?
So try and get it into like a nice cone shape. If it's narrow, that's it. Yeah, spot on.
Brilliant.
Pop a bit of tape on there.
Oh, yes.
Hold that into position.
Got double-sided tape as well. That'd probably be handy.
Oh, that would be good. You could wrap the whole thing in it. It makes it much easier.
Just like stick them on. Ewan's got a lot more patience with DIYs than I do. I'm very much just want to get it done instantly kind of guy. But
well, this is a nice quick one. You'll like this one.
It's brilliant.
So then just trim off. You might end up with a little triangle poking out. So just trim that round so it's flat. So it's going to stand up.
Okay.
Just level that bit off. And just give it a little test to see if it's standing up all right. There we go. Fab. And then all you want to do So easy.
It's so good.
That's it. Yeah, does that sound up all right?
Yeah, perfect.
So then all you want to do is just start layering on your sweets, and you just sellotape them on. So you just sellotape the wrapped part, and then just make each one hang down, because they're going to overlap each other a bit like a tiled roof.
Nice.
Vibe.
And then you can just pull them off.
Yeah.
So
what
clever.
I think's good is if you can try to match your colours in strips. So go with maybe some purples or some blues all together, and then do them in rows.
So
and
then
give
like
it a little
stagger
nice
them up.
effect.
So clever.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm going to start at the bottom with, I think, the ones that most people don't like, and that's the bounties. But I know a lot of people love them.
I love a bounty.
Yeah, well, I do as well.
Do you like a Snickers?
I do, yeah.
Oh, I hate a Snickers.
I mean, I like all of them. I would say Snickers would probably be actually my least favourite.
Right, okay.
A Snickers is something that you want to eat when you've been for a run.
Yeah.
It's not something you want to eat when you're watching the television.
What's your favourite?
Out of these, I would say either the Galaxy Caramel.
Yeah, they go quick in our house.
I think the Bounty though. Oh, Milky Way as well.
What about the Malteser?
Love it.
Oh, that's my favourite.
I love the Maltese. I didn't even spy that one.
Me and Zara fight over them all the time. She steals them before I even get a chance to get a look in. I'm going to start with blue.
Yeah, me too.
And are you? Okay,
yeah.
fab, and then just literally stick them on.
So yeah, so you just take a little bit of tape and just tape it on by the twisted part of the sweet, and it just kind of hangs. So I'm going to alternate Bounties and Milky Ways because they're blue.
Well done.
What have you got going on?
I'm doing blues, and I'm just going to do blue roses and not roses. Sorry, these ones here. Blue and purple. I think I might do next layer, and then go from there.
Have the wrappers changed on roses? Because I don't remember them looking like that.
Likewise, I think maybe because they're in this variety.
Oh, perhaps that's why.
But then they look like they normally do. Oh, I'm not sure.
Yeah, because I feel like they used to be in lovely foils. They used to have like nice twisted edges, different shapes.
Yeah.
Now they're all in little square.
It's just not really the same thing, is it?
No.
I feel like the things, I don't know, roses have kind of gone a bit bougie because they did a collaboration with Kat Kidston.
Oh, I saw. That was lovely, wasn't it?
Very nice, yeah. So, sorry, it's really annoying audio. Yeah, I think they're going a little bit more upmarket. They're trying anyway. Bless them. Right, so we're going to do more of the blue here.
Nice.
I'm trying to do this facing the camera so you guys can see. There we are. You're so much more efficient at this than I am.
I've got this tape dispenser on the go.
Oh, that's fair enough.
Well, I would have put it in the middle, but we're trying to be, with the social distancing and everything, keep it COVID safe out here. So
of course.
There we are.
Right, I'm going to transition into purple now, which I think will look really nice. Such a fun idea, I think, for people just get involved with it at home rather than just putting them in a bowl. I think it's quite nice to actually have them.
Yeah, and to give this to somebody as a gift, instead of like the £2 box, if you turned up with one of these as a tree.
I think it's a bit more fun, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah, 100%.
There we go, so first layer on.
Oh, yours looks so good. I've gone for blues and then purples,
that's nice.
and then I'm going to layer on orange on top. Should I go a bit
stuff.
closer to the camera so people can see?
Yeah.
So this is the kind of idea, and then we're just going to layer the next ones on to create like a nice effect. Hang on, there we go. Hello! Right, I'm going to with some, we've got a dog approaching. I'm going to go with some of these tangy orange creams, which are my favourites in here.
An orange cream, yeah. Do they still do a coffee one? Is that a thing? I feel like lots of them have gone away.
I don't see coffee.
No.
But coffee's the best one for sure.
Coffee creams are nice.
Yeah, they're good, aren't they?
I'm going in with the brown layer next, so I'm alternating Galaxy and Snickers.
This is fantastic, mate.
This could be a fun one to do with the kids.
Absolutely. Keep them at the end.
Yeah.
For sure.
They don't eat them all. You can eat one or two while you're making it.
Yeah, of course. One might have to just accidentally not make the tree.
Now if you've got one box, just do the front of your tree because there'll only be enough sweets inside the box to do the front.
Right.
But if you've got a spare box, you could do right the way around and do like a 360 design.
Genius. I'm going to do one more gold, bear with me. Right, there we are. We're there. Oh, whoops, that's that one. And then we're going to do another layer on top.
Just keep going.
Brilliant.
Actually using the sellotape, I wouldn't bother with hot glue. I would just do it like this because I think when people remove it, it's easy.
100%.
Pull them off.
I guess with hot glue it might actually pull them all off if you maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, rip the lot off. Go take one sweet and the whole lot comes.
Like, oops, I gotta have them all now.
Awkward.
Brilliant. Right,
So
I'm
I've
going
got
in with
some Mars
these.
next. Love a Mars
Golden
bar.
barrel. They're the caramelly ones, right?
Oh, I think so, yeah. Yes, do you remember they used to be like in a barrel shape?
Yeah.
This is the thing, when you don't see the shapes,
It's kind of like a big deal, isn't
yeah.
it? Do you know what? Our family never used to like Quality Street. We're never a Quality Street family, but since moving to the south, I feel like a lot of my sellotapes running away. I feel like a lot of people do really enjoy a Quality Street.
Okay, do you think it's a north and south thing, do you think?
Is.
Yeah.
I could be
So
wrong.
what do you have up north?
We always
What
just
do you
do
have up north?
celebrations. It's just
Oh,
such a
yeah.
celebration hero fan. But I think that might just be because kids do prefer them. Now that I'm a bit more grown up, maybe I'm like, actually, my mum always did like Quality Street and she's just sacrificed it, but yeah.
I think the others are a bit more modern, aren't they?
They
I feel like
are.
it was Quality Street and
It was like the original, wasn't it?
Roses initially, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Do you remember when, what was the advert? Was it for Roses? When,
Yeah, I know exactly what you mean.
what was it?
Oh my god.
Was it when people had been, was it like,
I feel like we need
What
to
was
insert
it?
the footage on the screen right now. You're going to hit me in the edit. I know what you mean.
Have you been good?
Yeah.
Or something? Have you been good and want some roses?
Roses.
Thank you very much. No, is that a completely different advert?
No, I don't think it is.
Very, 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 very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for feeding William. Thank you very, very, very much. Is it that?
If it isn't, it should be.
Who's William? Was it their goldfish? If we find the ad, it's going in.
Make roses the sweetest way to say, thank you very much, you're one in a million. Thank you very much, thank you very, very, very much. Thank you very much for feeding William. Thank you very, 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 very. Say it with Cadbury's Roses.
I think we might have just lost the plot. Hypothermia's kicking in.
It is my hand. This is my hand that's really struggling with this, guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie. The cold is setting in. Anyway, we move. Right,
We move.
I'm going in with the pink ones now, which is strawberry dreams.
I've gone on with some Twixes.
Oh, I do love a Twix.
Yeah.
With a tea. Lovely. Right, let's do the last one. Oh, this actually looks so fab. I love it. And then I'm going to do...
My colour scheme's gone out the window towards the top. A bit like my normal tree, just, you know when you start to give up.
Yeah, yeah. You start with good intentions, and then by the end of it, you're like, how have we ended up here?
Yeah. That's exactly what's happened. It's not too bad.
No, I think it looks great.
There's a bit of a colour scheme going on. We're finishing at the top with the Maltesers.
Oh, nice.
As we both voted them our favourite.
Oh, hello. I've finished with the hazelnut whirl because I love anything chocolate and nuts. I know a lot of people aren't a fan.
Can be disappointing to some.
Yes.
I would say.
Should we do? I might finish with one as well. It's the red.
Oh, that's nice.
It's
a little topper.
Truffle. Very bougie. Right. Do you know what? I'm actually quite impressed with my own ability to do this because I would have thought that would have looked a lot more complicated than what we're actually doing.
Yay!
Look at that.
How looks fab.
Does that look?
I'm tucking one little bounty in down the bottom. All left over.
Yeah, again, obviously, as Ewan said, if you do have like an abundance of these, you can obviously follow it around if you've got a couple of boxes. But
There we are.
Just putting them like that, that's fab.
We've got some little stars here. These are just little tree decorations. We're popping them in the top.
Yeah.
Just balance it in.
Oh, good idea. I was going to
That
start to
works.
take mine in.
We can tape it. Yeah.
No, I think we're there, mate. Mine's a bit front heavy, so it seems to want to topple, so I'm going to have to hold it.
There we
but
are.
If you rested it on something, you'd be fine.
Yeah.
Right.
There we
look
go.
at them. How nice is that?
How about that?
Look at that, guys. That is really impressive.
You could do a little forest and do all four.
Oh
so you
my
could do like one of each variety.
Yeah, and then that would be the deciding factor of which chocolate is the best of who's had the most.
Yeah. Come and show you mine.
I'm so impressed with that. It doesn't take a lot.
Sometimes simplicity is best, isn't it?
I absolutely agree, mate.
I think they're so fun.
Brilliant.
There we go. So, those are our sweet Christmas trees. Let us know what you think of them in the comments. Don't forget to let us know what you prefer. Quality Street Heroes, Roses,
or celebrations.
or Celebrations.
Got there in the end.
We'll put it to the vote down in the comments.
Absolutely.
But yeah, if you have a go at one, tag us in your pictures over on Instagram. Mr. Carrington, Luke Catlow.
Yes.
Love to see how you get on.
Really would.
And pop over to Luke's channel now, where we're going to be making some edible Christmas gifts.
Oh,
More food.
More food. I'm probably going to have some of these as well.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas. See you soon.
Bye.
I'll just get the stars at the top.
Oh yeah. Oh yes, we have stars. Mine's top heavy.
I'll just go to the Santa's workshop down the woods. Get the stars out.
Is he in? He's on holiday.
We need the stars.
He's in Barbados. He's had enough. He's off to the beach.